What's up, guys? It's Ashton, and I got my last birthday present today. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm gonna open it right now. So let's see what it is. I can find the right one. Here we go. I got tape stuck on my finger. Here it is. Opening it. And oh my goodness. Ready? It's my Halloween costume. Here's my Art the Clown. Oh, the hook's in the way. It's my Art the Clown costume for Halloween this year. Man, look at this thing. It is so cool. I love this thing. And as you can see, there is a picture of David Howard Thornton, aka Art the Clown himself. There's the Terrifier logo. I love this thing. It's so cool. I love it. So this is going to be my Halloween costume for this year. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Leave a like if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until then, I'll see you guys next time.